Hello to all my techie friends. So why am I making this video? First of all, short story बहुत जल्दी से बता देंगे. एंड सॉरी आई यूज़ हिंदी इन बिटवीन, क्योंकि अपनी राष्ट्रभाषा है यार, यूज़ कर सकते हैं, नॉट अ बिग प्रॉब्लम, और समझाने में थोड़ा सा आसान हो जाता है. सो आई विल बी गोइंग थ्रू इट इन हिंदी एज वेल एज इन इंग्लिश. मिक्स फोरम में काम करेंगे. सो एजाइल, स्क्रम, ये दो भयंकर वर्ड्स, वेरी 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 टफ वर्ड्स है ना. एंड एवरी वन इज़ टॉकिंग अबाउट दीज वर्ड्स when it comes to IT industry, especially software development. So today I got a call from a guy from Gurgaon. They were offering me some kind of a job. He must have found my resume somewhere, so he gave me a call. Before that I got an email from him, so I looked him up on LinkedIn, and the guy had good amount of experience. He was PMP certified. He claims to be a Scrum Master. I think he must have a certificate for that too. So I was a little apprehensive that the guy has got too much qualification. He's going to ask me all big questions and stuff. So I have a habit that's a bit different from what people do in an interview. So I thought, okay, I'll talk to him on the phone and let's see where it goes. My habit is that I prefer an interactive session. I like to ask questions. I just don't like कि I'm sitting there and I'm just answering your questions. So I don't know, some of the HRs find it appalling. It's up to them. But a smart HR would know that a person, especially when you're hiring them for a senior position, they must be able to ask questions. So that's what I do basically. So I'll go through the story for you and you'll understand what I'm talking about soon. The concept of agile and the concept of scrum, these are very very beautiful concepts and very useful, not just in information technology, in other industries as well, and people are using them. So the most beautiful thing is that these are very adaptable methodologies. You can adapt them according to your need, and that's what basically a project manager needs to do. If he's got any kind of resource, maybe a methodology, maybe a team member or anything else, his main task is to use it to its maximum possible capability. You need to extract as much possible from it, and that's what makes you a great project manager. So let's get back to the point. So the guy called me in the evening and he told me his name, asked me my name, my qualification, basic introduction. Then he told me, okay, I will proceed with the technical round. I'll be asking you some questions and you need to answer them. So I just asked him, okay, so basically what is the main key qualification or the key skill you are looking for the person you're going to hire as your project manager? So his first answer, as usual, he must know agile, he must know scrum. Okay, and I was like, okay, agile and scrum is fine. It's not a difficult thing to grasp or to learn, and anyone who's got any kind of project management experience can easily grasp these concepts and apply them. And yes, people get PMP certification, they find it very hard to get. They get Scrum Master certifications just to prove that they know it, but you don't really need these documents to say that I know this. If you know it, anybody who's smart enough to understand people will judge you simply by asking you a few questions in an interview, and they'll know if you can actually implement these methodologies or not. So the guy asked me this and I told him, okay, no problem, and I just gave him a simple question. I told him, are you really agile? And he was like, what do you mean by that? And I told him, like, I mean to say that are you agile enough to make this an interactive session? Let me ask some questions and you can also ask me questions. We'll have an interactive session, and I think that would be much better than a simple straightforward interview. And he was like, okay. So I just asked him to explain to me what agile means. Simple, give me a one sentence definition of what agile is according to you, then I'll tell you what it's according to me. And I know he was a bit surprised. I think he was a little baffled as well. He's not either he's not used to being asked questions. Be out of I think if you talk about 100 interviews, 97 of those will go one way. The guy sitting in the big chair would ask all the questions. The guy looking for the job will give him all the answers, and it's done. But I don't like to do it that way. So he told me agile is a methodology of information technology or software development. Basically he told me software development, methodology of software development where the requirements keep changing. And I was surprised to hear this. The guy with this kind of experience gives me this kind of an answer. My friends, a lot of you will think that he was perfectly right, but he was not. Let me explain this to you. The requirements are not ever changing. The requirements are ever evolving. When I talk about ever changing, it means that the client can tell me that I want an apple today, and when I go to him with an apple, he can change his mind. He can tell me no, I want an orange today. So I can't go back to changing the requirements every time. There are budget constraints. The company you're working for, you has invested a lot of time in developing whatever you're selling. So you cannot tell your client that okay, we accept you changing your requirements every now and then. No. What you can tell them is that you want an X product. We'll divide it into certain amount of modules. We'll prioritize the modules according to your need. Let's take a small example. Let's say a company comes to me and says that I want a human resource management system. So an HRMS may have a lot of components, but what I think is the most important one is the salary module, where the software calculates the salary and stuff for every month or maybe quarterly, weekly, whatever their process is. And then you have to ask them how dynamic they want it to be, right? So what you can tell your client when you tell him that we'll be focusing on agile is that okay, we'll deliver you a salary calculation module as per your needs, and then you can go through it. If you find that we've done something wrong with it, we are okay to change it, or if you feel like you need something else, we'll talk about it. You cannot commit to change it. Let me come to that. And then we'll develop the other modules as the requirements evolve. That means if you're satisfied with this module and you think this module needs a little change, you can tell us and we'll develop other modules around this particular module, right? So this is agile. The next time your client comes, he'll say okay, I'm very happy with this particular module, and now let's add let's say a thumb scanner to it for the purpose of calculating the work days, like if was the employee present or not. So you can do it accordingly. So when you've delivered first module, you can let him change his requirements for the next module. You cannot let him change the requirements for his initial module. And like for even changing the requirements of the next coming module, there has to be a variance, acceptable variance. This is not a concept that's taught in most of the courses that relate to project management. So basically you can tell them we'll accommodate a 10% variance or 20% variance accordingly. Second thing, Scrum. So when I told him this, he was either surprised or he was baffled or whatever, but I don't care because I knew I have blown the interview by then. He's not going to select me because he thinks that I am better than him. Maybe not, maybe he thinks I am weirdo, I am a psycho or whatever, but I knew it's gone. Sorry for the interruption. My kid came along and आपको पता है बच्चे आ जाएं तो आपको उनको एक बार तो हैंडल करना ही पड़ता है. तो we'll continue with what we were talking about. We'll talk about Scrum now. So the next question was, what is Scrum? So again I went with the same thing. I told him okay, you tell me what it is first and then I'll tell you what I think. So he gave me a good definition of Scrum. Perfect, book perfect, whatever word to word जो book में होता है ना, वो उसने मुझे सुना दिया. And I was like okay, बट डू यू नो वेयर द वर्ड स्क्रम इवॉल्व? एंड टू माई सरप्राइज, मुझे लगा था उसको पता होगा, बट टू माई सरप्राइज ही डिडंट नो इट एंड ही टोल्ड मी, मुझे यार उसकी फुल फॉर्म नहीं पता, याद नहीं है बेसिकली। एंड अगर वो मुझे कह देता मुझे नहीं पता तो इट वुड हैव बीन एक्सेप्टेबल, लोग भूल जाते हैं। बट व्हेन यू टेल मी देयर इज अ फुल फॉर्म फॉर स्क्रम, दैट्स अनएक्सेप्टेबल माय डियर। स्क्रम डज नॉट हैव अ टेक्निकल फुल फॉर्म और अ ग्लोबली एक्सेप्टेबल फुल फॉर्म। स्क्रम जो वर्ड है, इट्स ओरिजिन इज़ फ्रॉम द गेम ऑफ रग्बी, कि जब बॉल बाहर चली जाती है, कोई फाउल हो जाता है, तो बोथ टीम्स कम इनटू अ लॉकिंग पोजीशन और बॉल उनके बीच में डाल दी जाती है। सो विच एवर टीम इज़ स्ट्रॉन्गर वो उस बॉल को ले लेती है। सो स्क्रम इज़ ऑल अबाउट डेवलपिंग अ टीम दैट्स स्ट्रॉन्ग इनफ टू परफेक्टली डिलीवर एन एजाइल प्रोजेक्ट, है ना, सिंपल सी बात है। अब कोई टीम स्ट्रॉन्ग इनफ का क्या मतलब होता है? व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय स्ट्रॉन्ग इनफ? पीपल टेल मी कि वी सिलेक्ट द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट पॉसिबल टीम। देयर इज नेवर a thing like strongest possible team. Every team will have variance in capabilities, every team will have a weak link, will have a strong link. What basically Scrum tells you is to arrange those resources in your team in a manner which will provide you the maximum possible output. The arrangement is much more important than the selection, है ना? And team is not just the developers. Team includes every kind of stakeholder. If the project owner or the client, they are not strong members, so your project is deemed to fail. They will have to accept a lot of things, they'll have to make a lot of decisions that should be in favor of the project itself and should overlook their personal interests. भाई एक क्लाइंट का इंटरेस्ट क्या है? मुझे कम से कम पैसा लगाना है, ठीक है ना। पर कहीं ना कहीं एजाइल में एक ऐसी जगह आ जाती है जहाँ पे क्लाइंट अगर कहता है कि नहीं यार मुझे लगता है कि ये सॉफ्टवेयर इस लेवल तक जा सकता है, तो उसको उसमें पैसा भी देना पड़ेगा ना यार। ही विल हैव टू इन्वेस्ट मोर टू गेट समथिंग बेटर। एंड अनटिल एंड अनलेस द प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर कैन कन्विंस द क्लाइंट दैट दिस वुड बी बेनिफिशियल फॉर यू, दिस एक्स्ट्रा कॉस्ट वुड बी बेनिफिशियल फॉर यू इन द फ्यूचर, तो ये प्रोजेक्ट सक्सेसफुल नहीं हो सकता। द प्रोजेक्ट बिकम्स स्टैग्नेंट एंड व्हेन यू वांट अ स्टैग्नेंट प्रोजेक्ट यू कैन नॉट अप्लाई एजाइल methodology. You'll have to go with the waterfall methodology or some kind of a methodology that's a go between, you know. पर एजाइल तो नहीं हो सकता। एजाइल इज़ लाइक एन अमीबा, कभी उसकी टांग उगाएगी, कभी उसका हाथ उगाएगा, कभी उसका सर उगाएगा। तो everyone should be ready to accept the fact that there will be a lot of changes going forward with this project and we have to deliver the best possible in any condition. So the project manager is responsible to make sure that the client is satisfied and he agrees to betterment of the project, जो भी आपकी requirements evolve हो रही हैं उनके लिए, and the team working on the project understands this, है ना। तो एजाइल और स्क्रम को डोंट टेक इट लिटरली, है ना। वॉट एवर इज़ बीइंग टॉट टू यू इज़ गुड। बहुत सारी अच्छी अच्छी बुक्स हैं, बहुत सारे अच्छे अच्छे कोर्स मटेरियल्स हैं, सर्टिफिकेशंस भी हैं, बट द मेन थिंग इज़ कि यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड द बेसिक बिहाइंड दीज आइडियोलॉजीज। जब तक आप वो नहीं समझोगे यू वॉन्ट बी एबल टू अडेप्ट। एंड अडेप्टिंग टू changing requirements of time I'm talking about, not the project. Evolving requirements, we'll say evolving requirements when we are talking about the project. Changing requirements, we are talking about the time. In future, whatever you're working on today will become obsolete. That's what IT is all about. Tomorrow you'll have something else. It's ever evolving, it's ever changing. So my friends, if you are PMP certified or Scrum certified, very good, very nice, you worked hard for it, but still focus not only on maintaining those certificates, focus on understanding the concepts so you can really apply them and you can, you know, deliver the best quality of work. My understanding may or may not be right, but that's my point of view, what I'm talking to about कि agile क्या है, scrum क्या है। एंड आई एम नॉट अ एक्सपर्ट, सिंपल सी बात है कि मुझसे ज़्यादा जानने वाले लोग भी इस दुनिया में, मुझसे कम जानने वाले लोग भी दुनिया में। पर मैंने ये वीडियो सिर्फ इसीलिए बनाई कि मैं आपसे शेयर कर सकूं कि ज़रूरी नहीं है कि जिसके पास सर्टिफिकेशन है वो इन सब चीज़ों को अच्छे से समझता है। शायद अगर मैं उसकी बातों का सिंपल सा जवाब दे देता तो शायद मैं सेलेक्ट हो जाता, हो सकता है मैं वहाँ जॉब भी करने लग जाता। बट I am not ready to work under someone who's not agile in his life itself, and they talk about implementing agile in software products. सॉफ्टवेयर प्रोजेक्ट जो है ना वो लाइफ का एक बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट बन जाता है एक आदमी के, जब आप उस पर काम करते हो। छोटा प्रोजेक्ट हो तो एक अलग बात है, बड़े प्रोजेक्ट पे ज़िंदगी के 4, 5, 6 साल भी निकल जाते हैं। तो इफ़ यू आर नॉट डेडिकेटेड टू दैट यू नो विथ योर होल हार्ट, कि आपको अगर वर्क सेटिस्फेक्शन नहीं मिल रहा है तो यू कैन नॉट डिलीवर अ गुड प्रोजेक्ट, simple as that. So make sure you understand the concept before applying them. आपको कोई कुछ भी गए, कोई कुछ भी समझाए, आप समझो, आप सुनो, सुनना बहुत अच्छी बात होती है, बट आप खुद उसको समझो, अपने अकॉर्डिंग उस चीज़ को डेवलप करो, और यू नो यू विल डू ग्रेट इन लाइफ। आई हैव सीन गाइज वर्किंग अंडर मी कि जिनको मैंने सेलेक्ट किया फ्रेशर्स की तरह, दे बिकेम यू नो दे आर एट वेरी गुड पोजीशंस टुडे। एंड मेरा उनको हमेशा यही कहना था कि प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर में 2 क्वालिटी होनी चाहिए, इरेज एम्बिग्यूटी, एम्बिग्यूटी कभी भी नहीं होनी चाहिए आपकी बात में। आप जो बोल रहे हो ये सोच के बोलो, स्पेशली जब आप क्लाइंट से बात कर रहे हो, कि मेरी बात के 2 मतलब नहीं निकलने चाहिए। जो यहाँ पे ये 2 रस्तों वाली बात हो जाती है ना, वहाँ पे प्रोजेक्ट फेल हो जाता है। एंड सेकेंडली बी अडेप्टेबल, क्योंकि प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट एक ऐसा फील्ड है जहाँ पे वेरिएबल्स इतने ज़्यादा हैं, इतने ज़्यादा हैं, इतने ज़्यादा हैं कि आप उनको काउंट ही नहीं कर सकते। तो उनको काउंटर करने की टेक्निक्स पहले से सीखना तो इम्पॉसिबल है। इट विल कम विथ एक्सपीरियंस, यू लर्न अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स विथ एक्सपीरियंस, यू लर्न टू हैंडल दीज थिंग विथ एक्सपीरियंस। तो डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट, बी ओपन, कीप एन ओपन माइंड एंड वर्क योर बेस्ट, सिंपल सी बात है। सो लेट्स फिनिश दिस वीडियो। ज़्यादा लंबी बात करके कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है ना, छोटी सी बात थी, छोटे, आई थॉट आई शेयर इट विद यू गाइस। आप लोगों को भी शायद अच्छा लगे ना लगे, आई डोंट नो, बट इफ़ यू लाइक इट कमेंट कर दीजिएगा, एंड इफ़ यू डिसएग्री तब भी कमेंट कर दीजिएगा, मे बी मैं आप लोग से कुछ सीख जाऊँ। इट्स ऑलवेज गुड टू लर्न फ्रॉम योर पीयर्स, एंड द प्लेटफॉर्म आई एम पोस्टिंग इट ऑन लिंक्डइन, इट्स ऑल अबाउट लर्निंग फ्रॉम योर पीयर्स, राइट? थैंक यू।